All right, so we are able to see some information from our table, users table in our database. Now, what I really want to do, I'm not even going to target one of these yet. What I really want to do is go ahead and why not just add user page, right? Let's go ahead and add that page where we can add users to our interface. So that way, then we can start doing deleting and approving and doing other things, right? So let's go ahead and do that. I like to switch things around. I don't like to be neutral or like to be boring. Um, the more I switch you around from one place to the other, the more you learn, the more you exercise your brain, and the more information gets stuck in your brain. All right. So let's go ahead and let's add users, and let's go to the add user page right here, and let's see how that looks first. All right. So let's see if we got it right here. Add user. All right. We're not even going to that page yet. Let's see. Includes add user. So let's go and check it out why that's not showing. All right, so view all users. This is the page that is supposed to send. Is it? No, actually the users page is right here. This is the one that's supposed to send us to the add user and to add user.php. So we need to say add user on top for us to be going to that page. And now we refresh, we are there. All right, perfect. What it is that this page here, um, we had this row right here on the users.php, all right? So make sure that you also edit this one here, edit user, all right? Okay, so that looks good. Let's go. All right, so what we want to do, we want to have the first name, the last name, the role, maybe the username, email, and password. So let's go ahead and edit a couple of these fields. And here, I want to have the role actually. Let's use that. All right. So let's go to view all users. No, not view all users. I'm sorry. Add users. All right. So here, let's have the first name. How about that? And let's just, right here, let's just call this first name. User first name. User underscore first name. All right. Let's just make it a little bigger here. There we go. All right. Then here I want to say last name, and let's call this user last name. Remember, these fields, these values here are different from the database. I'm just naming it the same, so that way it's all the same all over the place. Nah, I'm missing something here. Last name. Sometimes I'm too fast for my own good, right? What else? This will be the. So we got the first name. Actually, we went ahead of ourselves right here. This is supposed to be those fields right here. All right, so let me just take that off, and let's replace it with this first name and last name. We want to be above the category side of that. All right, and this is post image. As a matter of fact, I don't want post image there. What I might want is the image of the user. Why not, right? Can we, let's just go ahead and I'm gonna comment that out, and we're gonna leave that for later for extra features or something like that. Let's worry about getting this thing done here first. Let's, so we got the user last name. Here we're gonna put the role of the user, and after the role we want the username. So let's go ahead and say username, and username, then email right here, and we got to change this input right here, and let's change it right here, put email. The type is going to be email. That way we have that validation there, right? user email. And the last one is an input here. And I'm just gonna copy that one here and just change the type to password. This I will change it to password. Everything will be changed to password and user password. We need to double check on this anyway, but this is the way it is. So create user, submit, and this would be add user. Alright, so this is looking okay, I guess, right? Here, select from users. Alright, we don't have another one. I thought we had another one. So select from users where what? Where actually we don't need to add where here because this is gonna be adding, it's not gonna be editing. Alright, so this is gonna be adding something. So what is this value here? What we want to display here? We want to display the role, right? User role right here, and we need to get it out of the user role. But we need to change all that the rest of the names, right? So, and of course we need to send the user ID. Actually, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna put that. Let's just user ID. Let's just do it in order. Let's do everything in order. User role, then user role right here. All right, that's looking good. And right here, user ID. Let's verify that it is the same in the database. All right, so let's go to local PHP my admin, user ID, and user role. All right. All right, so we're gonna select everything from users, and we're gonna say select users here. This query is great for a function. All right, so select users. All right, select users, and we're gonna copy this, put it right here, just so our functions can check it. This custom function that we got here, let's do it right here also. All right, perfect. This select is gonna be name user role. Why not, right? All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So on the next lecture here, we're gonna finish it up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.